Qualcomm beats quarterly estimates, guides higher. Stock jumps. Qualcomm, a leading semiconductor and telecommunications equipment company, has recently announced its quarterly earnings, surpassing Wall Street's expectations and providing an optimistic outlook for the future. This positive news has led to a significant 11% jump in the company's stock price. We will explore Qualcomm's financial performance, the factors driving their success, and the implications for the company's future. Overview of Qualcomm's quarterly earnings. Qualcomm reported a revenue of $10.2 billion for the fourth quarter, exceeding the analyst's estimate of $9.9 billion. Company's adjusted earnings per share, EPS, came in at $2.69, which was higher than the expected $2,562. This strong performance is attributed to the recovery in the smartphone market and the increasing demand for devices equipped with artificial intelligence, AI capabilities. Detailed financial performance revenue breakdown. Chip segment. Qualcomm's chip segment, which includes the sale of processors and modems, generated $8.68 billion in revenue, surpassing the expected $8.42 billion. This segment's growth is driven by the resurgence in smartphone sales and the adoption of AI technologies in consumer devices. Licensing segment. The company's licensing business, which involves the sale of patents and intellectual property, reported $1.52 billion in revenue, beating the forecasted $1.45 billion. This segment remains a steady source of income for Qualcomm, contributing significantly to its overall financial health. Profit margins. Qualcomm's gross profit margin improved due to higher sales volumes and better cost management. The company's focus on high-margin products, such as advanced processors and AI-enabled chips, has helped enhance profitability. Net income. The net income for the quarter was $2.92 billion, or $2.59 per share, a substantial increase from $1.49 billion or $1.32 per share in the same period last year. This impressive growth reflects Qualcomm's ability to capitalize on market opportunities and manage its operations efficiently. Section 3. Future Outlook and Guidance. Qualcomm has provided an optimistic outlook for the upcoming quarter, projecting revenues between $10.5 billion and $11.3 billion, with a midpoint of $10.9 billion to all. This forecast is higher than the Wall Street consensus of $10.59 billion. The company also expects adjusted EPS to be around $2.95, exceeding the analyst's estimate of $2.861. Market reaction and stock performance. Following the earnings announcement, Qualcomm's stock surged by 11% in extended trading. Investors reacted positively to the company's strong financial performance and encouraging guidance. The stock's upward movement reflects the market's confidence in Qualcomm's strategic direction and growth potential. Strategic initiatives and market trends. Smartphone market recovery. The smartphone market, which had been experiencing a slowdown, is showing signs of recovery. Consumers are upgrading their devices to take advantage of new features, such as AI applications and enhanced connectivity. Qualcomm, being a major supplier of smartphone chips, is well positioned to benefit from this trend. 3. AI and emerging technologies. Qualcomm is investing heavily in AI and other emerging technologies. The company's chips are increasingly being used in AI applications, such as chatbots and image recognition systems. This focus on innovation is expected to drive future growth and open new revenue streams. Expansion into new markets. Qualcomm is exploring opportunities beyond the smartphone market. The company is making inroads into the personal computer market and data centers, where its advanced processors can offer significant performance improvements. This diversification strategy aims to reduce dependence on the smartphone market and tap into new growth areas. Section 6. Challenges and risks. Apple's modem development. One of the key challenges for Qualcomm is the potential loss of business from Apple. Apple is developing its own modem chips, which could reduce its reliance on Qualcomm's products. While Qualcomm has a deal to supply chips to Apple until at least 2026, the eventual transition could impact Qualcomm's revenue. Legal disputes. Qualcomm is involved in a legal dispute with ARM, a key technology partner. ARM has threatened to cancel a crucial license with Qualcomm, which could affect the company's ability to produce its flagship products. The outcome of this legal battle will be critical for Qualcomm's future operations. Market competition. The semiconductor industry is highly competitive, with several players vying for market share. Qualcomm faces competition from companies like Intel, AMD, and MediaTek. Maintaining a technological edge and competitive pricing will be essential for Qualcomm to sustain its market position. Conclusion. Qualcomm's latest earnings report highlights the company's strong financial performance and strategic vision. By exceeding market expectations and providing an optimistic outlook, Qualcomm has demonstrated its resilience and growth potential. The company's focus on innovation, market diversification, and strategic investments in AI and emerging technologies positions it well for future success. However, challenges such as potential revenue loss from Apple and ongoing legal disputes need to be managed carefully. Overall, Qualcomm's positive earnings report and stock performance reflect the market's confidence in its ability to navigate these challenges and capitalize on new opportunities.